Hi my web viewers! In this video I'll show you the best ways to get soul gems in the GameHag platform. Okay, first thing, let's click on get more. Here we have two of them. The first one is create video. If you have a YouTube channel, for example, you can earn several soul gems here. I have earned 600 gems creating videos to YouTube in the first video of mine. In the second, I've earned 350 soul gems. Okay, so this is the number one thing you can do to earn soul gems. The second is create content. You can create texts like blog posts. Here you have to put the title, the name of the game, an introduction, and the text. Upload images, YouTube videos. Okay, here you have to create great content to be approved. Okay, approved, you will earn much number of soul gems. Okay, and the third is referring users. You create video and let the referral code in the video descriptions. These are the three things you can do to earn huge numbers of soul gems. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked. Bye bye.